ICC T20 World Cup 2024 India vs Australia playing 11 comparison. Australia playing 11. Number 1 David Warner. Number 2 Travis Head. Number 3 Mitchell Marsh. Number 4 Marcus Stoinis. Number 5 Glenn Maxwell. Number 6 Matthew Wade. Number 7 Tim David. Number 8 Pat Cummins. Number 9 Mitchell Starc. Number 10 Josh Hazelwood. Number 11 Adam Zampa. Indian playing 11. Number 1 Virat Kohli. Number 2 Rohit Sharma. Number 3 Suryakumar Yadav. Number 4 Shivam Dube. Number 5 Rishabh Pant. Number 6 Akshar Patel. Number 7 Ravindra Jadeja. Number 8 Hardik Pandya. Number 9 Kuldeep Yadav. Number 10 Arshdeep Singh. Number 11 Jasprit Bumrah.